just to keep it clean. You'll have enlarged HD image of the toy.
Awesome place.
So good. Put a little bit of effort into like a logo, you think?
Think of what kind of cool page a user could get.
This week's design challenge was to design a toy treasure tracker app. So the idea being, thanks ChatGPT, that you'd be able to have an app where you can track different toys that you collect, and however that may be, whether it's through online, through Amazon or eBay, or you're just doing it manually, it's up to you. And so the idea was for us to create that, and that was the kickoff point. So Wusi, take it away with your creation and show us what you got.
Awesome. I didn't really add more screens, but what I did was
check this guy, man.
it's just the loader.
Take us from the top as to what you did.
So basically what I did was I called it Toy Treasure Tracker, and then I just used the triple T's to create the logo. Like you saw in the beginning, it just kind of animates.
Nice, dude.
Like subtle animations. And I really wanted to use like a white background just to keep it clean, and so that the toys pop and you can filter according to like the tags that you've created when you edit like a new toy. And then you also have like a wish list, and then it shows you like it's a Lego and then what type of collection, and then it also shows you that it's verified here as well. And let me show you, for example, if I click here, it's going to show you the value. That it was smooth when I did it, but for some reason when I'm presenting, it's like bugging out. But essentially, it's like to show you the value, and then also like to get like a real value on it. And then also you can sell it if you want. And that is my toy app.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, choose someone.
Let's go with Oscar.
Okay.
You were gonna have to go anyways. There's no escaping.
But he just killed almost everyone, and now he wants to, lament the whole thing with me.
Nonsense.
So
you see Greg's one. If you say I killed.
So this is my toy treasure tracker. I didn't do much in terms of logo design. I just named it as we named it. So what I did, I fixed last week when I was sliding through the carousels here, they were leaving so much space on the side as if there's nothing to swipe for. So what I did, I just made the middle card bigger so that when you slide, it goes smaller, and then the next one becomes bigger. So I don't know how much time I spent trying to fix it, because when I detached some components, they were bugging out. They were not, erasing all the interaction that I had made. So I had to redo it this again, and then thankfully it worked. So essentially, on this app, you would have what's trending on the app, the toys that are trending on the app, which would be displayed as a carousel here. You can slide through all those toys that are trending, and then here you'll have all the on sale items. So here you can see the first card shows what is on sale, and then you can also go to the marketplace where all the toys that are on sale will be displayed based on the users' ratings. These ratings can help you determine where to get the best quality toys, and then you have all the price tags on each toy and different types of toys. And then you have the top seller, which would be the best-selling toy or the best-selling bunch on the app, and then you'll have all the toys that were posted for that week. So here you have all the toys that are posted for this week. Then if you click on the certain toy, you'll have like a pretty much enlarged HD image of the toy, as well as the name of it and a short description of what it is, and the seller, as well as their rating, as well as the price tag, and you'll have the add to cart CTA. What I also try to add on the app was so that you have options to buy using crypto. So you'll have all these, depending on which toys have the availability of these crypto blockchain companies, then you can maybe select, maybe if you want to pay via credit, you can just ignore this. But if you want to play maybe with Bitcoin, you can just tap on it and it will just highlight. Then when you say add to cart, it will take you to your wallet. So that's the whole idea of, trying to select these guys. So yeah, that was the main aim for this. And then yeah, I'm not sure why it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's not supposed to do that. Oh, there it is. It's going now. When you click on it, then you can unclick and it will just deselect. That's how far I got. I made those screens and added the crypto coins and an extra screen. Yeah,
Killed it.
Nice. Good work, man.
thanks. Zubey, let's go.
Okay. So I get to have a disclaimer because all of these other guys had an extra week and I missed last week. I'm a bit bummed, so I scrambled a bit to get something done. So it's not as comprehensive as everybody else's. So disclaimer, the trend lately is on-scroll animations. Okay, so I'm going to take you through my flat design first, just to show you where it started. So the idea here was to kind of have a collection of toys. So this is my Kid Robot collection, and then these are all the toys in the collection. But I wanted the one in the middle to kind of expand and grow. And then these explanations kind of overlay on the bigger image, right? So bring you guys to Framer. Here it is set up in Framer. And so I was struggling, like, it's a simple animation. I know I'm pausing for dramatic effect here, but this whole thing to get it to kind of lock into place, and then these other guys kind of move away while the middle one. It looks simple, and like when you see it, like it looks like not a lot of work, but I was racking my brain, but eventually I managed to get it to work. So I'm gonna bring you guys to an actual cool thing about Framer is we can bring it into a browser.
We'll insert drum roll here.
Okay, so here it goes. Are you ready, guys, for the scroll? So it stops like it does. I kind of like, yeah.
So good.
So there's more that I want to take this further with. I just didn't have enough time. So at this point of year where it stops, right, you should be able to scroll through the other toys and then, like, scroll on that particular one. But I only did the one that didn't have enough time. And then you should also be able to, I forgot to add, and I only realized afterwards, add in like navigation controls, so like little arrows, maybe over here, so you can kind of swap between them at the bottom of the scroll. But yeah, I didn't manage to get that far. But yeah, that is my thing.
You dog, that thing's amazing.
It was fun. I got it to work.
I knew we were going to
Sometime.
run away when he was downplaying himself.
Nah, it's not a lot. It's literally like just one page. You guys have multiple pages and you can navigate. And, I feel like it's unfinished because there's still more to do.
But you did what we could not.
With lots of hair pulling, yes. Yeah, but it was fun. I'm definitely gonna finish it off. I'd like to finish it off. I'm gonna hand it over to Byron. Go for it.
Okay. So with my one, I guess I kind of started back to front with the design. The very first thing I wanted to do was think of what kind of cool page a user could get when they open up a collection, like a title page. I like the idea of collections of stuff is quite nice rather than like turning it into e-commerce experience. So I did one example of this where it would have the user that created the collection, the name of the collection, the description of it, how many likes it's got, and how many items it would have inside of it. Also did another one here, just an example of an alternate version. So after that, I started doing like the creation thing with the kind of navigational steps of like an e-commerce experience, but my branding is not there yet. It looks very weird. I like the dark theme first of all, but this. So what you do is when you add a new toy to your own collection, you'd start off with basic details, and then after that you can continue. And I've always got the QR scan details at the bottom of the screen in all of them. Like, I think it would maybe encourage the user to do that in a real world scenario if it was a real functionality, because that would be really cool. I'm sure it would be used more than like having to archive stuff yourself, as like almost like being a librarian or something. Yeah, and then I had this sideways navigation thing, which was starting to look quite interesting, but it kind of is a bit of an awkward layout, and it messes up the space that you have here. But if I had a bit more time on this, maybe I could come up with something interesting for it. And then after that, I've got the add photo screen here, where you basically get to take a picture or browse, the usual story, and it's got your max limit of how many photos you can upload, and it's also pulled through the details that you've just entered in the previous page. Probably not really a good idea to put those details here. You don't really need them just yet. It's more like put that at the end when you're done, and then you can consider everything, because it's like distracting almost, and also it takes up too much space. And then after that, I just started working on an alternate color theme version, which actually probably is a better branding for the app. This dark black background with like harsh yellows, but it's not really the right thing, I felt. So I would have, with more time, I would have started adding a couple more different colors to the screen, just to make it like more to what the brief wanted, more colorful and joyful.
I like the black one as well.
I agree.
You should make a switcher, like a light dark switcher, right? Day night switcher.
Good idea. Agreed, man. Great.
Works for the toys that are uploaded though, but
Yeah.
upload something
I dig
like
that.
their living room in their background, and it's not all fancy and stuff. So then you'd have to like be able to compromise. Cool.
Maybe
So, yeah.
it's the cyan that's the problem, because the yellow is really nice on those first few pages. Like this looks beautiful, and the cyan's like, maybe it's a bit of Chinosis coming in there. I don't know.
Oh yeah, I've used my two clients' colors. Oops. I can't escape. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that is all the screens from me. Next, I'm gonna go with Sipo.
Save the best for last.
Everything here in the background, I'm good with life, but I'm gonna play it.
Doesn't look like it, but it seems like you're underwater.
Sounds like you're good at it. This guy's music. Dude, man. That's not fair, dude.
Yeah, my idea was all over the place, guys. But the gist of it is like it's a army game collection thing where you can collect army games. So last week, now I actually did like a detailed page about like a toy looks like, got like my little action figurine there, got some technical details, yours, and then you can scan the game, like you scan the barcode.
Yes, check this guy.
Then it has like a special force. Oh yeah, this is the game. This is the toy. And then you get like the toy that you scanned in. Then you can see all the stuff about it, how many like the reviews it has, what brand it is, what type of action figure is it, scale, and then the same type of information. But yeah, that's as far as how I got. But like I had so many different ideas, and just putting it together as like one thing was like
Yeah, it's so cool, dude. You see why I feel so embarrassed to present just a scrolling thing when Sibo comes with like a fully designed
crazy
with a video, and then he adds in sound. You already had the video last time. It's like, okay, cool. What else do I need? Oh yeah, sound, multimedia, bro. Multimedia.
That
Not
was-
single media, multimedia.
Yeah, I was struggling with that. That was the beginning part. But yeah, no, great challenge. I think everyone did like a great job. Enjoy. Okay.
Honestly, when this challenge was made,
No, it's one.
was-
It's
I was-
still Greg. Greg has to go, bro. Whoa, there's still
Oh, Greg, sorry.
the dessert. It was main course and now it's dessert, bro.
yeah.
That was awesome, man. Shut up the window. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, I put a little bit of effort into like a logo-y thing. I quite like the idea of this plastic treasure, and these are meant to be like little plastic coins, making a little smiley face. This looks much the same as last week. This screen, at least to start. I'm very irritated because my menu was working and animating from the same spot, and it does if it's not fixed. If I just plop it here, but for some reason now it's doing this irritating switcher thing. So I'm a bit frustrated.
Where is your anchor point set to?
Good question. I might have locked it now on this one. Here we go.
Yeah, should be fine.
It's a bottom.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's fixed. I'm baffled. I tried everything, and so yeah, that was annoying. Anyway, but then I did a collection screen. So if you click on one, then it opens up, and you can browse other items in the collection. If you got it, you do a little check, and then you can go back to the menu, go home, and then you can open up. So I got my wish list chaps down here. The animation only really works if I have it at the bottom, so there we go. And then you can browse items in your wish list and go back. Yeah, that was my focus. I realized I haven't
That
done
was
that.
wicked, man. I really like the logo.
Thanks, dude.
I was about to say that. Like, so how much did you spend time doing that icon, that GIF? Is it a GIF now?
No, it's
A looping component.
Oh.
that was a lot of time last week.
I think you could do it with less friends. I think you could probably do it with two, right?
You could, but I wanted.
The in between friends for sure.
Yeah, they go at different times.
Makes sense.
Yeah, so that's why.
Okay, I see it now. There's a little extra crafting care,
Absolutely, man.
a little bit of polish.
And yet, for
Mr.
some
Min on there.
Mr. Min, exactly. So yeah, it was fun.